Welcome to Auto Trend, the channel where technology meets imagination. And today, we take you deep into the shadows of the sky to meet a legend in the making. The MiG-41, Russia's mysterious sixth-generation stealth interceptor. This isn't just another aircraft, it's a vision forged in secrecy, born from decades of aerospace evolution. The MiG-41, known officially as PKDP, stands as the silent heir to the mighty MiG-31 Foxhound, but it is far more than a successor. It represents a transformation, the merging of stealth, speed, and intelligence into one formidable weapon system. From the moment you see it, the MiG-41 doesn't look like a traditional jet. Its structure feels almost alien, sharp, fluid, and elegant in its menace. The matte black finish, absorbing every glimmer of light, gives it an aura of invisibility, while thin red lines and Russian insignias slice across its frame like veins of energy. The surface appears alive, shaped for silence, crafted to cut through both air and radar. Under showroom lights, it doesn't reflect. It disappears. Every contour of this jet is designed for dominance. The nose is sculpted with precision to reduce its radar profile. The wings are stretched and refined for high-altitude efficiency, and the body seems to flow seamlessly, as if carved from a single piece of black metal. It's not just built to move, it's built to hunt, to patrol the edge of the atmosphere where the world's defenses grow thin. What truly defines the MiG-41 is its stealth intelligence. Engineers designed it to think, to react, and to engage faster than human perception. The onboard systems are said to integrate artificial intelligence and next-generation tracking algorithms, capable of detecting multiple targets across enormous distances. This means the MiG-41 can identify stealth aircraft, hypersonic weapons, and even orbital threats, long before they become visible to conventional radars. Imagine a machine that sees without being seen, that knows before others act. That's what the MiG-41 embodies. Its sensors stretch far beyond the horizon, and its onboard computers process data at speeds once reserved for supercomputers. It doesn't just respond to threats, it predicts them. For Russia, this jet signifies the return of absolute dominance. For the rest of the world, it's a silent message that the boundaries of flight have not been reached yet. And for enthusiasts like us, the MiG-41 stands as a marvel. Proof that innovation still dares to touch the impossible. So when you look at this aircraft, sleek, shadowy, and untamed, remember that it's not just built to fly, it's built to command the future. This is the MiG-41. This is the future of interception. And this is Auto Trend, where we bring you the world's most powerful machines and the stories that make them legends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because here on Auto Trend, the future doesn't just arrive, it flies beyond imagination.